Today we have something a little different for the channel. We have the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. I got this to help round out my camping gear for when I need to do some word processing. So let's take a look. So I went ahead and cut into the packaging so we could get it out. And my understanding is we pop the handle off, pull the blade out, which covered in a nice sheath, and bring this portion out here, which is a clip, and bring the blade down underneath that. Slide a little bit more forward. There we go. And pull this back. And nope, I got that wrong. Oh, yes, that's right. It goes the other way. And we bend the blade up and around. Now we hook the saw blade in. And then the handle holds everything tight and it snaps shut. Now, that is handy. What I like about this over some of the other saws I have seen is that this one, the blade completely goes into the handle. It is a bit smaller than I thought it would be, but it'll process a fair amount of wood up on the top there. Get an idea of how big of a log we can get in there. Take a quick measurement. And at its widest point, it's about 4.5 inches or just over 110 centimeters. So not the biggest logs in the world, but it's also not going to be limited to small firewood. So super impressed. Let's see how the breakdown goes. So we just pull the handle. It is fairly spring loaded, so be prepared. Set this off. This folds flat. And then fold this flat as well. Bring the blade all the way over. And that goes up. And that snaps shut. That's really handy. Can't wait to get that out on trail. Let's see if there's any other information. Yes, so it's high bar carbide steel. It's nylon overmold, 12-inch blade. This particular set comes with an additional blade that I bought. But my understanding is it can use any standard 12-inch blade as a replacement. So that is my first look at the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw folding saw. If I'm only going, it's maybe a pound, pound and a half. I'd have to get out the actual scale and find out. But I'm going to say that if I was headed into the backwoods, even on a short camping trip with a backpack, if I was only going in a short ways and planning to make a fire and sit around the camp, I'd take this with me. Otherwise, it's just nice to have something that breaks down nice and small. I can throw in my bag when we're going out to do trail maintenance. Until next time, thanks for joining with me. If you enjoyed this, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, as well as this video. Have a great day.